Hello, guys. Namaste. Hello, and welcome everyone to the stream today. I hope you are doing great. This is your host and your host, Saksham this side, and we will be starting the stream today. I am a bit late, almost like 5 6 minutes. So sorry for the delay. But yeah, let's continue the stream and let's have a amazing session and let's have a look into the project analysis. Right, guys? So the project analysis which we are going to do today is on the chain, data mall chain DMC. The DMC project analysis which we will be going to do today is so as I was saying that we will be looking forward to the data mall chain analysis and as well as the little bit of market analysis as well. So let's quickly jump onto the Bitcoin chart and have a look into the BTC chart because it does look good, right? So let's quickly jump. Okay, no problem. Uh, okay, guys, just a moment. Yeah, so where I was. Okay, so this was the curve chart. The trade is looking good. We are okay with that curve chart. Let's quickly jump onto the coin market cap. 2.59% increment in the market with a 29,700 US dollars is what we are having on the charts, which looks good. Definitely, it has some good potential. Okay. Is my chart echoing, guys? No, the chart is not echoing. Okay. It was just on the loop, so yeah, it's fine now. Okay, so let me quickly jump onto the BTC chart real quick. See USDT, and where is the chart? This is the chart, and let's open this. And what a beautiful candle it is! You can see the liquidity has been arrived, and we got a little bit of breakout, not too much, but yeah, this breakout. So yeah, definitely we're looking forward to move upwards now. We didn't got the dump. I was expecting a little dump, but yeah, it initially didn't happen. So let's leave that onto it, and let's continue with the topic here. The data DMC here. Okay, let me just confirm it again. What is data mall chain DMC? Okay. Where is the DMC? Not able to find the DMC here. Okay, guys, just a moment. Have to check with the data mall chain. Okay. Not able to find why. Where is the data mall chain? Just a moment. Okay, this is DMC coin cap. Okay, this is the token. So we didn't got it on coin market cap. Maybe it is still not listed on the coin market cap. which somehow somewhere it will get listed in the coming days, so we don't have to think very much about that. But yeah, here is the token which we will be analyzing today. We'll see, we'll be looking forward to what does it do, what are the benefits of it, what are the long term vision, mission, and other things as well, which DMC does, right? So this is all about the short intro of the project, and now we will be looking forward to what the project initially does, right, guys? 45 and 50. 50 is like 35, and then okay. So let's just quickly look into the fully diluted market cap, which is absolutely amazing with a whopping $201 million. $201 million, right? It's 201,700,000. Thousand, 10,000, thousand million, 10. Okay, and volume is like 51,000 on a daily basis. To maximum supply is 1 billion DMC, which is quite justifiable that the price is 0.20 cents according to the fully diluted market cap and the total supply, right? So the token does have a lot of market cap. It's like 201 million is not a small amount. It is a good amount. And if you see the 1 hour, 1 day, it's like a decrease of 4%, which is on the chart. And if we see the 7 hours, 7 day here, what's the 30-day low high? It's like 0.42. Okay, that's good. On August 5, okay, it hit its all-time high 3 days back. And I think that was the maximum which it got a hit. Okay, 1 year is something else. No, no, about 1 year, but yeah, 6 month is looking good. 5 August was the date when DMC price got a new volume. Then it started to sustain at this level only. If you see this is the level which the price is sustaining for a long time now. And I think it will be moving forward slowly from here. Or maybe it can pump a good amount from here. DataMall chain, DMC price now. DataMall chain is an open source blockchain underlying platform for global users, which aims to promote the construction of next generation internet infrastructure and promote the development of blockchain technology. The future ecosystem of DataMall chain mainly includes a series of products such as decentralized storage mining, DeFi, NFT, cross-chain bridge, and cloud storage, and is committed to building a decentralized public chain. Sound is interesting enough. Internet of Things. We have already heard about this term, right? If you didn't heard about this term, guys, definitely you should be looking forward to it, right? Now we will be looking forward to the website and white paper as well, so we can get into the website. Okay, it's this is the website and this is the white paper. Okay, this is so this is the beautiful website. The website is definitely looking good. I don't see any kind of negatives here. The website does have a lot of work done and permanent data and infinite space. DataMall Chain is an open source blockchain platform which provides stable, reliable, and decentralized storage services for Web 3.0 and decentralized apps. So basically, it is a storage service provider in the decentralization economy, and stable, reliable, and safe is some features of DMC, which is data mall chain. Yeah, as the name suggests itself, right? Data mall chain. It is going to be something about the data part and all, right, guys? Okay, so let's quickly have a look. What is data mall chain? Data mall chain is an open source blockchain underlying platform for global users, which aims to promote the construction of next generation internet infrastructure and promote the development of blockchain technology. The future ecosystem of data mall chain mainly includes a series of products such as decentralized storage mining, decentralized finance, NFT, cross chain bridge, and cloud storage, and is committed to building a decentralized public chain. So it has a lot of uses. If you see, guys, DataMall chain is an open source blockchain underlying platform for global users. So basically, we all know that it is for the global users, right? Everyone can use it, and it comes up with a lot of features as well this time. Because if you see, it has a lot of features like decentralized storage mining, decentralized finance, and FT cross chain bridge, which is very important when you transfer your assets from one chain to another, right? It takes a lot of fees and all, but yeah, in this, it takes a lot of money, but in this case, we are not giving any big amount of money, big chunk. What's going on here? Thieves. It's we are looking forward to a project, guys, and we are reviewing it if it is good or not from the point of investment perspective, and also for entertainment purpose. If you like the project reviews, you can definitely support me, and just don't forget to follow me on the platform. I'm just simply checking the comments, guys. So like, pardon me if I am not able to see you on the screen. And now, yeah, it's good. So let's quickly jump. What is Datamall coin? Datamall coin is a decentralized cryptocurrency issued by DMC Foundation based on the Datamall chain. By building a decentralized marketplace through real data storage services to provide users a decentralized, efficient, secure, and open storage platform, users can enjoy the leading decentralized storage services by owning DMC and receive incentives from owning storage space, which builds a sustainable storage ecosystem. So basically, decentralized exchange, you will be getting the data mall coin. The use case of data mall coin is like simple. If you will be holding the data mall coin here by building a decentralized marketplace through real data storages, so it will be creating a marketplace in which you will be getting a real time data storage and things like that. Secure and open storage platform, users can enjoy leading decentralized storage services by owning DMC coin and incentives as well. So you will be getting incentives as well, and also other services which will be included by holding the DMC coin. Isn't it something which is interesting to look forward to, guys? Right? If you see the DMC ecosystem, we have a lot of things. Mining pool, we all know that mining pool is something where a lot of people put their money in a pool and then mine with those coins. If you fees network, you provide hash, you provide energy, then they mine with your sorry guys, just a moment. Yeah, they mine with your money, and you get some incentives on that. Blockchain browser, we all know that this is a super important thing which is necessary for everyone as of nowadays, right? Because you know that the privacy is a myth now. We are not protected at any cost in any situation. We all know that privacy is a big issue as of now, and we all struggle with the privacy or data leakage here, and that sometimes also create a lot of trouble for us, guys. So with that being said, I think it is very necessary to have a look into the data privacy and other things to look forward to. Okay, with that being said, let's quickly jump onto the wallet part. We all know that every project does have their own wallet, and they provide cold wallets, not cold wallets, sorry, active wallets, whichever they would like to do. Solana, Arbitrum, Binance, Ethereum, whatever on whatever blockchain the crypto, the wallet is, or the wallet can be multi-currency as well. So in this scenario as well, there is a wallet, and the wallet is provided. Storage mining, in which you will be getting a storage when you mine, and I don't know much about the storage mining, we'll definitely look into it. And NFT as well, here we have NFTs, we all know about NFTs and all, right? And decentralized finance, we all know the DeFi, where we can buy and sell the cryptocurrencies in an open marketplace without any kind of tension. Investment, you can also invest. Lending is an option. We all know that lending is now, if you use decentralized finance exchanges, you all know that how lending works, right guys? And payments, you can also use it for crypto payments as well. If you have seen something like crypto payments, such as, I basically use, I will not say the name, but yeah, there are many pay services in the market, which by which you can simply use the payment and pay to people, right? And incubator, if you talk about the incubator here, you can also become an incubator and verify the transactions and everything, and take your rewards according to it, right? It simply depends on you. The decentralized exchange, which we were talking earlier, you will be also getting the decentralized exchange here, which will help you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with a super ease method, right? You will be receiving the money, you will be selling the money, and it will be much easier on your side. Identity authentication, which is very necessary now, because when the government wants to regulate it somehow, they will be looking forward to the identity, right? But as you all know that the government will not have any kind of full control in it. But yeah, at the same time, they will be having the identity, right? If you want to sell a big lot, definitely they will be tracking your tradings, right? It is, I know it is like not decentralization and the government is monitoring, but it is for our safety as well, guys. If anyone just simply, somehow like Sam Bank Friedman or something like that, any kind of mishappening happens, then we definitely claim the government what the government is doing, right? So if you will not be providing any kind of identity authentication, then government can't do anything about it, right guys? So this is why identity authentication is very necessary, and we always have to look forward to it. Okay, so let's quickly have a look into the stable coin. Okay, the DMC data mall chain has also a stable coin as well, I guess, or they provide stable coins in their platform. Insurance, we all know about insurance. No, not we are in the blockchain. I think I don't know about insurance. Okay, insurance, we will be looking forward to an incubator. Cloud services, we all know Amazon Cloud Services, Google Cloud Services. These are the two main where you can, store a lot of things as in the cloud drive, and use it for the future purpose, and a lot of things along with it, right? And if you look forward to the SDK, gamify, and cross chain bridge, sorry guys, I don't know why it's paining a lot. I think some of my nerves just got stretched while doing exercise. Okay, let's leave it. SDK, gamify, and a lot of things are there. So cross-chain bridge is also present, which we have already discussed about recently. And Oracle is also present. Oracle is, simply a software developer application, which by which you can simply develop the softwares and all. And now let's quickly have a look into the insurance first. Okay, it is not readable from here. Then I guess it will also be not be this payment option with also not be lending, or incubator is also not be readable. Real storage, high user incentive. DMC is a unique storage project on the blockchain that is designed for Web3 users scenarios instead of minor perspective. While our level 1 protocol is currently compatible with that of Filecoin and will eventually be compatible with other storage chains such as Arweave, Storage, etc. So we have listened about the Storage, but I don't know. I have heard about the Aave. I have heard about the Aave, but not Aave. Higher user incentive through community ecosystem services and smart contract technology. DMC encourages users to contribute their free storage space to promote our storage services and get cross. So if you are having any kind of storage in the cloud, etc., you can just simply transfer your storage to the platform, and then you will be getting the amount of incentives or rewards which they will be offering you at the time of closing the deal. Better privacy protection. We all know the privacy protection part is very important. We've already analyzed a project which was completely working on the web browser, basically decentralized web browser, where your data is much more protected and no one can look into it because the IP address just gets bounced every time whenever someone tries to track it. And in the same thing, DMC DataMall chain is also providing same, but it is not their main unique selling price USP proposition. Their USP is the storage which they are providing in the decentralized and meta Web3 and meta, not meta, yeah, Web3 apps, right? So this is very interesting to see, guys. All the stored data and segment are segmented and encrypted before uploading. Users can't get data that do not belong to them even if they directly access this data storage device. DMC makes user data truly belong to the user themselves. And we all know that user data protection is a super important factor, guys, if it comes to, looking forward to any kind of project, right? Greater security. All the stored data are distributed on the various nodes. Compared with traditional storage methods, DMC can effectively avoid both cyber security and physical risks and offer a higher level of disaster recovery. Greater security is definitely an interesting point which we should be looking forward to, because definitely we have heard about the recent hack of Curve Finance, right? Where 45 million dollars have been exploited. But yeah, the hacker are returning money. But yeah, we all know that greater security is very much necessary to do these kinds of things in the market and sustain for a long term in the market. Because if someone or some hackers just try to get into your system and steal your money, then that is very, very bad place, right? And here is the roadmap. 2021 launch of the project, a solution to decentralized storage. And till now, the project has already planned everything for the future as well. 2024, 2022, 2023, and that's how good planning is done. We are already been targeting 24, and the project will be having almost like 5 years in the market. Optimize and update PO, assess DAO and chain governance, become a vital part of Web3 fundamental protocol, bigger developer plan. DMC ecosystem partners, OKX, blockchain, and here we are. .io, BTCM, Fogworks, okay, Elf Crypto. We all know this. This is our partner. Yeah, I guess that's all. What is exploration here? Let's quickly jump on the exploration. So what is DataMall chain? Let's quickly jump into this. I guess we have already read this. DataMall coin, we have also seen this consensus. DMC POS consensus. DMC storage project adopts a unique decentralized storage service network application consensus algorithm called Proof of Storage Services (POSS), which takes the quantity of the staked proof of service tokens cast by DMC as the voting right screen, miners nodes as the consensus nodes based on the voting right, and then provides storage service, namely mining. Specifically, the POSS proof of service token, not proof of storage service. Consensus algorithm uses the quantity of the stake DMC cast PSTs to proportionally generate the corresponding number of voting rights and ranks the nodes according to continuously select a certain number of miners who actively provide storage services as the consensus nodes and give them incentives according to the reward rules. POSS provides a powerful safeguard mechanism to prevent node hijacked attack and collision attack. So this is very interesting, guys. We already seen that these kinds of things occur a lot, and we have to be preventive, or we have to be safe with these kinds of things. We should be definitely avoiding, right, guys? So this is what they are looking forward to, and they are providing simply. And I'm just simply looking forward to your comments. So don't get offended, guys. I'm just trying to somehow forward the comment and see what happened to this. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Where is okay? Satawa, Saveli, Sara, Rose, Express, Twin, Paratha. Just a moment, guys. I'm looking forward to the comment, but just thinking here. Mm, Pass. Mm, I'm just looking forward to the comment, guys. Just a moment. I don't see any comments, so yeah, let's continue from here. Let me see. Okay. 39. And yeah. So where are we specifically? However, since the status of the supernode is qualified via DMC token staked, the cost of the attack is extremely high. The fair incentives under the consensus mechanism will eventually attract more miners who can provide storage services to join, thus injecting a continuous driving force for decentralized network storage service capabilities. So as the network evolves in itself, definitely it will be very much difficult to break through the network of the DMC, right? And that is not possible to simply break and just get into it, right, guys? So this is very difficult for someone to get into the break even, and eventually that will not help anyone, right? Okay. uh, Where is that? I don't find it. Okay, guys, just so yeah. As I was saying, let's quickly jump into the DMC for storage. With the global adoption of big data and artificial intelligence technology, the explosive growing number of IoT Internet of Things devices in every corner. I was already talking you guys with the Internet of Things IoT, as well as the recent introduction of metaverse. Definitely, we all know that metaverse is definitely a disruptive technology which will eventually come in the future and take over the digital world. We will be looking forward to the metaverse in near future very soon. Data has become the keystone of the digital world. If you have data, you have a lot of power. That's why data is supreme in the current scenario, guys. DMC came into being and the use of multiple scenarios escorted intelligent life. Right? Smart home, self-driving, entertainment, commercial, and personal information, public utilities, and other data storage required DMC storage services. We believe that only by adhering to the faith of storing real and significant data, DMC has the opportunity to own the infrastructure of the Web3. And we all know that if someone is providing a looking forward to a lot of storage, because in future we are producing more and more data. If someone is not getting into our help to provide storage space, then it is very much difficult to tackle the situation and store the data in the Web3 and the metaverse, and you can say the Web 3.0, yeah, DeFi apps, decentralized apps. That's what I wanted to say. And why decentralized storage? DMC decentralized storage, which can replace traditional crowd storage, is a kind of decentralized blockchain storage through real data storage services. It creates a decentralized trading market to provide users with decentralized, efficient, secure, and open storage services. DMC offers an optimized solution to address the inherent shortcomings of traditional centralized storage infrastructures and devices. Higher availability, higher security, better data privacy protection, and lower price. With these four advantages, perfectly solves the fatal problem of the current centralized storage. And now you know that you are looking forward to, you maybe you are using some cloud storage as well, but it is time to switch and jump into the decentralized storage, guys. That's very creative here. I think they just found a solution to the upcoming problem because they know that the blockchain technology will eventually boom in the future, right? That's what they know. And according to that, they just somehow figured it out that if they somehow provide storage for those data which will be created in the future, definitely their project will skyrocket and they will overtake the market. Because if you guys know the story of Amazon cloud services, they was about hiding these things, but when the craze came on, they were on the top of the list. Their services were on top of the list. So that is how you plan the market, and definitely it is an interesting project to look forward to, and I think it has a lot of potential as well in the near future to grow as well. So you have to be, as we always say, guys, these streams are not made for any kind of entertainment or education purpose. If you like the stream, you can just definitely look forward to it, and as well as don't be shy or something. Just quickly, just simply subscribe to the stream and we are good to go. And one more thing I wanted to see, I guess. Okay. So let's see here what we have on a plate. Okay, just give me a moment, guys. I'll be back. So yeah, guys, as I was saying that the project definitely has a lot of potential. It can grow in the future. You have to be very, look forward to see this project, and you have to be very very active to see this, and then you can definitely make some good amount of money from this, right? But for that, you have to be very much active, and then only we can expect some pump from you guys, right? uh, okay, what are we getting here? 157 is a lot. I'm not looking forward to that much. uh, what is we are looking here? This is good. Just a moment, guys. Where is that? Okay, we simply proceed. I'm just checking with the few things, guys. Sorry for the interruption. But yeah, just a moment. I have to check. Okay, I think it's good. So now we will be looking forward to how we can participate and how we can take the project as well. Because why we should be missing the project in the first place, right, guys? So let me just quickly switch to my screen here, and let's have a look at that. Where is that? Okay. And let's jump here. So as I was saying here that let's quickly jump on to how we can get this project and how we can take participate, how we can get the DMC coin. Nothing much. It's all simple. We'll tell you guys how it will be done. Right. So just give me a moment. I'll be just quickly telling you.
Oh, sorry guys, my mic was off. I was not listening, my mic was off. I don't know why my camera just suddenly got blacked out. I think there is some kind of problem with my camera. It just got blacked out sometimes. So that is another problem. So we have to look forward to it. But yeah, as of now, let's quickly see how we can get into the project, right? So we have to simply type gate.io here, nothing much. We are on the platform and we will be typing the gate.io here. So just quickly go on to the gate.io platform here. And here you will be looking forward to the trading section. Just quickly jump on the trading section super fast. Don't late and don't think twice. Now when you are in the Gate.io platform, you can see the beautiful pumping of BTC going on. $30,000 is on the chart and we might see it in a moment or two. And yeah, let's okay. So we okay, I don't have the mouse here, sorry guys. Yeah, so we have to look forward to the token name here, DMC. And here we are, 20 cents is what the price is. And you can see the chart. The chart got a pump yesterday, not yesterday, on 5th of August. So definitely the people who were on the start, they have sold the project. They initially sold the project so that they can, make some money out of it and they definitely book some profit. So profit booking is a part of the trade, and right? So you don't have to be fearful. But the sustainability of the project is very much, if you see the 20 cents here, the project is sustaining at a good level and definitely it is sustaining for a long period of time now. It is like almost like uh, 2 weeks. The project is sustaining at these levels and BTC is also reaching 30,000. So we have a strong opportunity that the market will pump and we can expect some good pump from this token, right? From this project and as well as the token. So you don't have to be thinking twice and definitely getting into the project is a good option here. And you don't have to do anything here. Just quickly jump onto this section right side screen. Just quickly type 100 and you will be receiving 497 DMC. Just click on the buy after logging into the Gate.io platform. And you will be instantly getting that, maybe putting it into the market price and then buying it. It is a good option. You just have to buy it in total USD. For example, you have to buy it for like 100 US dollars. So you just have to put 100 US dollars. Make sure that your wallet have the 100 US dollars with you, or it will just quickly get, bounce back. And then you don't have to do anything. Just simply click on the button this side, and you will be getting the DMC token in your account, by which you can definitely get some amount of profit as well. And as I'm thinking that if the project comes again at from this level, definitely we are expecting the project to pump at almost, I guess, 112% again. So $100 can easily become $200. That's not a big deal, and that's how you evaluate the project, guys. We have seen the project has innovated, not innovated, but yeah, opportunity. The project saw an opportunity to make a project that provides storage services because that will be very, very necessary when the blockchain market booms, right? So it is helping the blockchain market on the booming time by providing the storage spaces to the project which are, left behind or who needs the storage, right? So they are grabbing that opportunity and we should be also doing the same. We should be also looking forward to grab the opportunity to get into the token. But yeah, as I always say, That is not any kind of investment advice, guys. So you have to be very, very careful with that. And it is much more better that if you just simply get into a good project rather than investing any kind of your money in the main coins. So yeah, it's totally your choice if you want to get into this project, but definitely I'll be looking forward to this project into my watch list because I think it has a lot of potential. So yeah, that's definitely what I'll be doing, and you can also check this out as well. With that being said, guys, hope you guys have enjoyed the stream and definitely you have liked the stream. Don't forget to follow me on Gateio. Don't forget to give the big thumbs up to the stream, and also you can share the stream to your friends as well. We'll see you guys in the next stream. Till then, stay safe, trade safe, and definitely go to the moon. Bye bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night.